Once upon a time, there lived a family called the Not Normal Family. And they were technically not normal because they were called the Not Normal Family. One day they woke up out of bed, and as you can see, their bed is really, really not normal. Most of their beds are not normal because they are really, 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 like, super not normal family. Then the mom and daughter ate breakfast. It was a really weird breakfast because the mom had like this really weird colored porridge, and their vases were all like clowns and stuff like that, so that was pretty weird too. Then the mom and the little kid, they both got dressed. Finally, it was time for her to get ready for school. No, Mom, I can't go to school. It's too normal there. So, but just because it's normal doesn't mean that you can fit in. Okay, I'll try. Then she got on the bus and went on her way to school. The bus was pretty normal, but she made a few friends on the bus. And from that day on, she learned that her school was really, really nice and normal. But some of her friends liked her for the way she was. The end.